Grapefruits are a nutritious citrus fruit that offers several health benefits when incorporated into your diet. Before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to our amazing health and wellness community. Alright, here are 5 health benefits of eating grapefruits. Number 1. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Grapefruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. This vitamin is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping your body fight off illnesses and promoting overall health. Number 2. Weight management. Grapefruits are often associated with weight management due to their low calorie and high fiber content. The fiber in grapefruit can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may have a positive impact on weight loss and insulin sensitivity. Number 3. Heart health. Consuming grapefruits may contribute to better heart health. They contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. These factors can lower the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in grapefruits are also beneficial for your skin. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a crucial role in collagen production, which helps maintain healthy and youthful skin. Antioxidants combat free radicals that can cause premature aging and skin damage. Number 5. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in grapefruits, such as antioxidants and bioflavonoids, may have cancer-fighting properties. These compounds can help protect cells from DNA damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. It's important to note that while grapefruits offer these health benefits, they can interact with some medications, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you are taking prescription drugs. Additionally, individual responses to grapefruit consumption may vary, and it should be part of a balanced diet rather than the sole focus of your nutritional intake. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of eating grapefruits. If so, hit the like button to show your approval of the video and subscribe for more weekly health and wellness content.